Today, I will be drunk cooking with my friend, Christine. Whenever we swear
Can you hurry up and cut the fucking
or say the other person's name,
I told you, Prosper.
we have to take a shot.
Oh, this is dangerous. Dude, this is so hard.
Let's see how the food turns out.
Wait, hold on. I'm gonna crash out. Does anybody know how to get away with murder? Today we are going to be making kimchi fried rice.
Can you say it in a southern accent?
I hate that you make me do this. Today we're gonna be making kimchi fried rice. This is so embarrassing. Okay, we don't need to be doing all that now. This is gonna be really interesting, I feel like. Because both you and I are lightweights, bro.
Christine also has like the entire instructions and recipe, and she's not a very good communicator. And I feel like when you're drunk, you're only gonna be yelling at me. Dude.
No, I'm not, bro. What are you talking about? Don't play with her, don't
You should
be
do that nose
this
thing where you like you stick your fingers up your nostrils.
I've done that before.
Right here.
No, you are not into
We are ready to cook. I think we should start it off with some soju.
Okay, I'm down. Okay, so wait, so what are the rules? No swearing.
No swearing, no names.
Okay, so then what am I supposed to be like, you? Or what am I like, hey? Okay, I guess I could just say hey. This is gonna be so hard for me.
That's one.
What?
You just
Oh, damn it! No, I said fuck, damn, and shit just now.
The second one doesn't count, but the first two do, and you just said it one more time. So 3 sips. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh my god.
Oh, we getting fucked up.
I have to take another
shit.
one.
Oh no!
Ooh. Let me show them what we have for our ingredients. So we're making kimchi fried rice with spam and pork. So we have pork pieces here, and then we have a spam, and then we have avocado oil. Actually, Prosper, I checked it. Oh.
Here you go, fam.
Oh my god.
This is
This
is dangerous.
Dude, this is so hard. And then we also got this one. This is the Maggi soy sauce, I think. I think it's more common in Viet dishes, but I love this one. So
the
we're using
main ingredient.
kimchi.
Where's that air fryer, by the way?
The air fryer, that thing.
This is an air fryer. This is an oven.
I'm pretty sure it is. Is it not an air fryer? Okay, maybe it's not. I don't know.
Do you not know what an air fryer is?
Okay, yo, chill. Like, hold on, bro. Hold on. Okay,
Oklahoma doesn't have air fryers?
No, we do. I have an air fryer at my house. Okay. Anyways.
Does it look like this?
Boy, you pissing me off right now. I think what we need to do, okay, so start cutting up the spam. We're gonna take this. Oh my god, this is gonna be a bitch to wash. This is gonna be so hard to wash later.
I didn't even know why you were...
No!
Oh, sorry.
Why'd you pour me so much, bro?
Who?
I'm not saying your name. Don't think I don't know what you're doing. So now I'm going to take the kimchi. Why is my southern... Guys, hold on. Okay. Okay. Prosper, are you gonna... Oh, fuck. Oh, shit.
That's literally 3.
Prosper, I can't.
4.
Oh, my...
4! Okay. Here we go.
We gotta talk quieter. These walls are thin, bro. Okay. Please don't pour me too much. I will literally spit it on your face, bro.
I'm gonna count to 4.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Can you... Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Since I cut the kimchi into smaller pieces, I am going to start oiling up the pan a little bit.
This looks so good.
Okay, honestly, oh my god, Prosper, I'm like, oh. Okay, perfect. Now, are you gonna start cutting up the spam or like what?
Oh.
Wait, give me 1 second. Before you start, let me do this real quick. Yo, I am.
Okay, so how small do I cut it?
Just however you want to cut it, honestly.
However I want to cut it?
Yeah.
Are you judging my cutting skills?
I'm not judging your cutting skills. Yeah.
All of it?
Huh?
All of it?
Yeah, if you want to. No! I mean, what the heck is wrong with you? Ooh! Oh! 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 Prosper, you... Wait, hold on. I'm gonna crash out. Does anybody know how to get away with murder? Can you hurry up and cut the fucking spot?
I drink again.
I'm gonna lose it. I'm actually gonna lose it.
Oh. Can't speed up perfection, Christine. Oh.
What did you do?
Nothing. Can you give me a little drink? I'm gonna be honest. I said your name earlier.
You did?
Yeah. 이렇게 괜찮아?
그렇게 괜찮아. 좋아.
좋아?
다 했어?
What do you think?
이 정도면 괜찮을 것 같아.
Alright, we're gonna need some English now.
I said I think this amount will be okay.
Oh, my job is done. Alright. Have fun, Christine. Oh. You're not heating it up yet?
Not yet.
Why not?
Because I have to put the pork in. Give me... I'm about to!
Christine, let's be nice to each other for once. How about that?
What do you mean for once, bro? I'm always nice to you.
You're never nice to me. You're literally always roasting me.
That's so cap, bro.
Give me one of your best compliments ever.
Bro, I was the nicest to you in the panelist section. Are you joking?
What are you talking about?
I'm excited to see Prosper and Sarah. I just want to see what more bullshit comes out of his mouth. Sorry, is that me?
Christine is cooking right now. As I help her morally. You got it, Christine.
Drink. Twice.
Dang. Wait, twice, you said?
Yeah, because you said my name twice. I told you, Prosper.
What was that? Christine, let's take a shot together.
Down.
You swear so much, Christine. Oh.
I don't want to hear from you. Are you joking?
You drink so much more than I did.
That's not what we're talking about. We're talking about who swears the most.
And we're playing a game where you drink every single time you swear.
You guys, off camera.
Hello?
Off camera, Prosper has a he has a potty mouth.
I have a who has one? Huh? Who has one?
I'm gonna vomit. Okay.
3.
Can you hand me one more rice, please?
I got you, fam.
Thank you, thank you.
Look at me being so useful.
For once, literally. I like cooking with Prosper, you know? It's a lot, but he's like a diamond under pressure. Oh, man.
You're so annoying.
Fuck.
You're not really good at this.
It's not funny.
Alright, just finish the rest of this.
The rest of that?
It's 2 sips.
Hand me the soy sauce that we got. I need another favor from you.
Yeah, you need a massage now or what, princess?
Go into the cabinet, get garlic salt out. Ooh, I'm not gonna lie, this shit about us. I mean, this thing is about us. Just a little bit.
It was literally a little drop. Are you?
Hand me the garlic powder, because that doesn't contain any salt in it. Good boy.
What'd you say? Oh, I'm feeling it. Oh, damn, I'm feeling it. I'm gonna drink a little more.
I'm feeling it.
Looks good.
Kimchi bokkeumbap is done.
Thank you, Christine.
Welcome. No, Prosper's always asked me. He was like, "Oh, like, do you cook like this and this and this?" And I'm like, "Yeah, I cook." So maybe this is why he only cut up the Spam and I actually like did everything else.
Okay, you also didn't like. Okay, first of all, I don't know how to make kimchi fried rice. Number 2, you only instructed me to do the Spam. There was nothing else you told me to do.
That's true. Sorry. That is my bad. That is my bad.
But you're right. No, you're right. I should have at least offered because I just.
Yeah, what the fuck are you doing on the boyfriend maxing series for, bro? Are you joking?
Look, I promise I will be able to cook for you.
And boyfriend maxing that cheetah ramen was
Okay.
I just cussed. Guys, I want you to know if it tastes bad, it's really the kimchi that makes up for it. I bought this kimchi from H Mart. Whenever I make kimchi fried rice, it's with my mom's kimchi, which is like so good. So I don't know how this turned out because we bought the kimchi from H Mart and it did say ferment.
Bro, just a whole lot of excuses. That's what I'm hearing. All right. Okay, I'm sorry. I'll...
Wait, Prosper, I think I nailed this. Hold on. Right?
This is fire. If you want to see me cook for Christine because she, I'm sorry, genuinely next time I will cook for you. A Taiwanese dish, one of the best dishes I've had my friends actually try is braised pork belly.
Oh, I would love to try that.
Thank you for cooking for me.
Yeah, you're
today,
welcome.
Christine.
You're welcome.
Appreciate you.
Of course. I got you. Anytime.
I noticed most of you guys who view this aren't subscribers yet, so.
I'm thinking about starting a YouTube channel soon.
Okay, hold up.
Wait, hold on. Is that not what I was supposed to say?
No, go ahead.
Wait, is that not what I was supposed to say?
It was supposed to be like, follow, and subscribe. Christine is actually gonna start a YouTube channel soon.
My followers have been really wanting me to pivot from, like, not just my TikTok, but from YouTube as well. So I might start a YouTube channel soon. Not that your followers would know anytime, like, when I'm starting a YouTube channel.
What type of content are you gonna make on that channel?
I actually really have no idea. So if you guys would like to put down in the comment box what videos you would like to see me make, that'd be very helpful because on my TikTok, I only post like crash out videos. But make sure to like, comment, subscribe, comment down below what more videos you want to see with us. And we will talk to you guys later. Bye!
Bye!